Kim Tae-hyung, also known by his stage name V, is a South Korean singer, songwriter and actor. He was born on December 30, 1995 in the Seo district of Daegu, South Korea and grew up in Jeochang County. He is a vocalist of the South Korean boy group BTS. He was raised there along with his two younger siblings, his sister Kim Yeonjin and his brother Kim Jang-gyu. V first aspired to be a professional singer in elementary school and eventually began taking saxophone lessons in early middle school as a means of pursuing the career. V's father agreed with his journey on learning how to play the saxophone. As of now, his top priority is career and that's what he is focusing on at the moment. After graduating from Korean Arts High School in 2014, V enrolled in Global Cyber University. He joined BTS in 2011, but he wasn't revealed to be a member of the group until 2013. He and BTS became the first K-pop group to clinch a Billboard Award in 2017. He has appeared in the Korean drama Warang, The Poet Warrior Youth. He is commonly called enjoys a huge fan base within South Korea and also internationally. He is responsible for creating and executing the band's hit singles Too Cool for School and Boy in Love. His journey started from the South Korean music industry and soon enough he hit the charts internationally, marking yet another K-pop milestone for the country. His fan following mainly comprises girls who just can't get enough of his cute looks and charming persona. On December 25, 2020, V released a solo track titled Snowflower featuring Pig Boy. In 2020, V participated in a song titled Sweet Night for the soundtrack of the JTBC drama Itaewon Class, which was released on March 13, 2020. The song received generally favorable reviews for its composition, vocal performance and warm lyrics and debuted at number 2 on Billboard's US Digital Song Sales Chart, the highest debut for a Korean soloist in the chart's history. V released his first full solo track outside of BTS, Scenery, on January 30, 2019 through the group's SoundCloud page. In 2016, V made his acting debut with a supporting role in KBS2's historical drama, Warang the Poet Warrior Youth, under his real name. He also collaborated with bandmate Jin on a duet for its soundtrack titled It's Definitely You. To celebrate BTS' 4th anniversary, V released 4 O'Clock on June 8, 2017, a song he co-produced with bandmate RM. On October 24, V became one of the youngest recipients of the prestigious 5th class Wagon Order of Cultural Merit Medal, awarded to him by the President of South Korea along with the other members of BTS for their role in the spread of culture. In May 2018, his second solo song Singularity was released as the trailer for BTS' then upcoming third LP, Love Yourself Tear. The track made its UK radio debut on BBC Radio on October 25. A month after its release, The Guardian added Singularity to its top 50 songs for the month of June 2018 playlist, and Billboard included it in their critics list of the top 50 BTS songs at number 28.